Hello everyone, welcome to FX Market Strategy. Today we will continue our weekly forecast. Let's have a technical look at the market. Dollar franc. We are basically working at the 4-hour chart. Dollar franc is trading in a downward channel. Recent resistance is 0.8924 and recent support is 0.8759. Our preferred scenario risk on mood will continue where equity will resume the strong uptrend and the dollar continue the downtrend. A possible move down towards 0.8759. Alternative scenario risk of mood where equity will have either reverse or a strong correction towards the downside and dollar reverse to the upside or have a strong correction up. Possibly move up towards 0.8924. Then we have pound dollar. Pound dollar is trading in upwards channel. Recent resistance 1.3743 and recent support 1.3522. Our preferred scenario is risk on mood where possibly pound dollar moves up towards 1.3743. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly pound dollar moves down towards 1.3522. Euro dollar is trading in upward channel. Recent resistance 1.2340 and recent support is 1.2063. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly euro dollar moves up towards 1.2340. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly euro dollar moves down towards 1.2663. Dollar yen is trading in downward channel. Recent resistance is 104.44 and recent support 102.68. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly dollar yen moves up towards 104.44. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly dollar yen moves down towards 102.68. Then we have dollar Canadian and is trading in a downward channel. Recent resistance is 1.202937 and recent support is 1.2581. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly dollar Canadian moves down 1.2581. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly dollar Canadian moves up towards 1.2937. Then we have Australian dollar and it's trading in an upward channel. Recent resistance with 0.7785 and recent support is 0.7626. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly Australian dollar moves up towards 0.7795. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly Australian dollar moves down towards 0.7627. Euro Australian is trading in a downward channel. Recent resistance with 1.5883 and recent support is 1.5610. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly Euro Australian moves down towards 1.56. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly Euro Australian moves up towards 1.5883. It's trending in upward channel, recently ranging like sideways, and recent resistance is 127.47. Recent support is 125.30. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly Euro Yen moves towards 127.47. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly Euro Yen moves down towards 125.30. Then we have pound franc and it's trending in an upward channel. Recent resistance is 1.2202 and recent support is 1.9049. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly pound franc moves up toward 1.2202. Alternative scenario risk of mood where possibly pound franc moves down towards 1.1949. Then we have gold. Is trading in a slightly downward channel. Recent resistance 1859 and recent support is 1802. Our preferred scenario risk on mood where possibly gold moves upwards to 1859 Alternative scenario, risk of mood where possibly gold moves down towards 1802. As we know, gold is strongly affected by dollar index, slightly affected by equity movements lately, having a risk on mood causing dollar index to sink will have a greater chance to send gold up, and we can also see equity heading higher at the same time. US oil is trading in an upward channel. Recent resistance is 53.70 and recent support is 49.50. Our preferred scenario, risk on mood where US oil moves up towards 53.70. Alternative scenario is risk of mood where possibly US oil moves down towards 49.50. Then we have the DAX. DAX is trading in an upward channel. Recent resistance 14,115, 429. Our preferred scenario, risk on mood where possibly DAX moves up toward 14,115. Alternative scenario, risk of mood where possibly DAX moves down towards 13,429. Then we have the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is trading in an upward channel. Recent resistance 31,170 and recent support 30,513. Our preferred scenario, risk on mood where possibly Dow Jones move up towards 31,170. Alternative scenario, a risk of mood where possibly Dow Jones moves down toward 30,513. One is Bitcoin. Bitcoin found a support at 28,650 level, which has been a support twice before. Next resistance one at 37,819. So guys, if you want to join our trading signals and trading systems, please check the link below, and I wish you all have a very good weekend. Thanks for watching again.